for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.